everybody, let's read this story. It's called A Tree Grows Up. Oh, look, there's acorns. Acorns are the seeds to an oak tree. Look, what's that squirrel eating? It's an acorn. Squirrels love to munch on crunchy acorns. Acorns drop from oak trees in the fall. Squirrels eat many of them, but they don't eat them all. The squirrels miss this acorn. One by one, falling leaves cover it. The wind blows soil over it. In the winter, snowflakes blanket the acorn in white. What do you think is going to happen to the acorn since the squirrels have lost it? It is sprouting. When spring comes, the shell of the acorn splits open. The tiny root peeks out and pokes down into the soil. Soon, a little green stem with leaves pushes up and reaches toward the sun. It's a baby oak tree. See? There's the stem and the leaves. That's a baby oak tree. Day by day, the baby tree grows. Its stem, called a trunk, becomes harder. By the end of the summer, it's as tall as a pencil. Year by year, the young tree grows. When it's 5 years old, it's tall enough for people to stand under. Songbirds perch on its slim branches. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Just like you, a tree needs food to live and grow, but a tree can make its own food. Sunshine helps the leaves turn air and water into a sugary food. This food flows through the veins in the leaves to every part of the tree. See the veins in the leaves? Every fall, when the weather turns chilly, the tree's leaves stop making food. They change from green to red and brown. Then they dry up and fall off. So the green parts that help the tree make food is called chlorophyll. That's what makes a tree's leaves green. But in the fall, the chlorophyll dries up and then you can see the other colors. In the winter, the tree looks dead, but it's not. It's just resting. It rests all winter long, and we call this dormant. That's when the tree goes dormant. It doesn't grow. It's not dead, but it's not going to grow either. Spring brings rain and warm sunshine. The oak tree wakes up. New leaves spread wide to catch the sunshine. The tree keeps growing taller and taller. Its trunk and branches grow thicker and thicker. Squirrels scurry up and down the tree. A family of birds nests on a branch. See the birds? And there's a squirrel. Bloom. One spring, when the oak tree is about 30 years old, surprise! Small flowers grow next to the new leaves. So it has to be 30 years old before it blooms. After a few weeks, the flowers fall off. Little knobs form where the flowers used to be. They are the baby acorns. Over the summer, they get bigger and bigger. In the fall, the acorns drop from the tree. Many animals come to feed on the fallen acorns. Chipmunks, wild turkeys, bears, blue jays, deer, and squirrels, of course. The oak tree is now a grown-up tree. It will keep making acorns for the rest of its long life. It will keep growing taller. Its trunk and branches will grow thicker and thicker. One day a branch will be strong enough for a swing. A tree gets bigger in 3 ways. It grows up, it grows out, and it grows down. So it grows taller, it grows wider, and the roots grow down into the ground. Look how big the the roots are on this tree. The roots hold the tree into the soil so that the tree doesn't tip over. Birds and squirrels aren't the only animals that make their home in oak trees. Here are just a few of the many different animals that live in oak trees. Honeybee, a white-footed mouse, a gray tree frog, a mourning cloak butterfly, a tree cricket, and a skunk. And that's the end of the story. Bye.